Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Finance with Avery. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to earn an easy $300 sign-up bonus with Chase by opening a new checking account. I'll break down the exact steps, the requirements, eligibility, and everything you need to know to claim this bonus for yourself. So if you're looking for a new checking account to check out in a quick and easy way to boost your bank account, stay tuned. And Chase Bank is a part of JP Morgan Chase. And JP Morgan Chase is the largest bank in the United States based on total assets. There's a really good chance that you've heard of JP Morgan Chase, or you've had an account with them in the past, you have a credit card associated with them, or something like that. And this $300 sign-up bonus they've got going on is one of the best, quickest, and easiest sign-up bonuses that I've seen this year. First thing I want to go over with this bonus is the eligibility for it, because before you can go to steps 1, 2, and 3, eligibility is going to be a requirement. Are you eligible or not for this bonus in general? For eligibility, this offer is not available to existing Chase checking customers or those whose accounts have been closed within 90 days or closed with a negative balance within the last 3 years. And they also state you can receive only one new checking account opening related bonus every 2 years from the last coupon enrollment date, and only one bonus per account. And this coupon code is good for a one-time use. Those are some of the main parts of eligibility. And the reason why I wouldn't be eligible for this bonus is because I received a Chase sign-up bonus for a new checking account last year. With that being said, I would not be eligible because I received a checking account related bonus within actually the past year about is round been. So it's definitely within the last 2 years, because they state you can only receive one new checking account opening related bonus every 2 years. So I would have to wait at least another year for me to be able to receive a new checking sign-up bonus with Chase, according to this stipulation. And with opening up the Chase Total Checking account, there are some other things to keep in mind in regards to whether or not you'll be able to actually do that. You see the application page here. Before you start, you'll need your social security number and driver's license or state ID. And some of the other things to keep in mind that you'll need to open the Chase Total Checking account is some kind of valid document that's going to show your name and address, such as a utility bill, bank statement, credit card statement, employer pay stub, mortgage or lease document, something like that, because you're going to be putting in your information and they're going to want to verify it. So if they want, some kind of piece of document to verify what you're putting in on your application, then you're going to need something like that as proof of verification that, yeah, this is my name, this is my address, things like that. And when you're opening up that account, it's not going to be a hard pull on your credit. It's not going to affect your credit score. They're basically going to do like a verification check, which is kind of like a soft pull, a soft inquiry to your information, just to make sure, you are who you say you are. Your name is correct. Your information you're putting in is correct, and it is valid. So yes, those are the main elements of eligibility. Let's start now with step 1 of this Chase Total Checking sign-up bonus. Step number 1 is that you're going to need to open this account by October 16th, 2024. The date that this offer currently expires is October 16th, 2024. However, it could possibly be extended. These bonuses sometimes get extended where they'll just keep the same requirements, eligibility, everything the same for the bonus. They'll extend the bonus expiration out like, 2-3 months or something like that. If they do that for this bonus and I'm aware of it, I'll leave a comment down below on the video and pin it to the top, or if somebody else does, I'll pin it to the top. I've done it before in other sign up bonus videos. So if you're checking out this video after August 16th, 2024, check down below in the comments just to see if this offer possibly got extended. So yeah, step number 1, you're going to need to open this checking account online with the coupon code, or enter the email address to get your coupon code and bring it to a Chase branch to open your account. So you can't open this account online or in person at a Chase branch. So if you're opening up this account online, I would say definitely go to the offer page for this account, and you can Google Chase Total Checking bonus offer, or you can check out the description down below. I'll have a link to this promotion page in the description. It's not a referral link or anything from me, just a link to this promotion page as you see it on the screen right now. If you open the account online, you definitely want to do it through the promotion page. On that link right there, open an account. So if you're going to open it online, go through this way, because let me show you something. When you do this, and you start the process of opening your account online, you'll see this right here at the top, and that's why you're going in the right direction. They state right here, we're applying your offer. So that is a good thing. You clicked on the right link. They're applying your offer. You don't need to put the promo code in anywhere. It's just going to be automatically embedded in your application as you're going forward in this process. Now, if you want to open the account in person at a Chase branch, that's totally fine as well. But what you'll need to do is go to this promotion page and enter your email address. After you enter your email address, they're going to email your coupon code to your email address. So check out your email address. They state that your email address won't be used for any other promotions or shared with third parties. So you get that promo code emailed to your email address, and you're going to want to take that with you to the Chase branch when you open up that new total checking account. That's step number one. After step number one, what you'll need to do is step number two. Step number two is that you'll need to make direct deposits totaling $500 or more within 90 days of coupon enrollment. So within 90 days of signing up for this account, you'll need to make some direct deposits totaling at least $500 or more. It doesn't have to be one direct deposit of $500 or two direct deposits of $500, anything like that. It could be as many as you need within 90 days to total that $500 or more. And now, with that being said, which direct deposits would qualify for step number two in this bonus? Because it's not just any kind of deposit. So with the direct deposits for this bonus that are eligible, your direct deposit needs to be an electronic deposit of your paycheck, pension, or government benefits such as Social Security from your employer or the government. Those are the direct deposits that would be eligible and required for this bonus. So for a lot of people, it's going to be, through their employer, the paycheck, whether you get paid every week, every 2 weeks, every month, anything like that. If it's a big, Fortune 500 employer, that's fine. If it's a local employer, that's fine. Even if it's gig work, like from, DoorDash or Uber, something like that, that will be regarded as a paycheck from your employer. So what you'll need to do is have a total of $500 made into that new account with Chase within 90 days of enrollment. So you don't have to deposit your whole check amount if you don't want to. You can split it up. A lot of employers let you split up your direct deposits through several ways, like specific dollar amounts or percentage amounts, anything like that. So you could have it set up like that if you want to. If you don't want your whole paycheck going to this new Chase total checking account, that's totally fine as well. Now, there are some things that do not qualify as direct deposit that people may think qualify. Things that do not qualify as a direct deposit for this bonus: person-to-person payments such as Zelle, PayPal, Venmo, things like that, they are not considered a direct deposit. Also, micro deposits do not qualify as a direct deposit for this bonus. Micro deposits are typically those deposits that are made into the account to verify that you own the account. When you're, setting up an account as an external bank transfer account, an account that you could transfer money to and from, and they'll deposit like a little amount under $1, like 2 micro deposits. And then, the other bank will ask you to verify what are the deposit amounts that they deposited into that other account, things like that. Those do not qualify as direct deposits for this bonus. So pretty simple, to the point right there. Step number two, make eligible direct deposits totaling $500 or more within 90 days of coupon enrollment, which would be within 90 days of you setting up and signing up for the account. Now, step number three is going to be basically you receiving your bonus. And with step number three, one important thing you'll need to have going on for sure to receive your bonus is that your new Chase Total checking account must be open and in good standing to receive the bonus. Do not close out the new checking account after you meet the deposit requirement. Keep it open and not restricted or anything like that. So they don't want it closed or restricted at the time of payout, or else you won't get your bonus. So keep it open in good standing. They don't state that you must have a positive balance in the account, but definitely don't have a negative balance in the account. Keep it open in good standing. If you want to, if you're not using it, keep at least a few dollars in there, but definitely keep it open and not a negative balance. And no kind of shady, fraudulent things going on in the account where they somehow restrict it or anything like that. With that being said, when you have your account open in good standing, after you complete the requirements of, having the account open the right way with the coupon code and meeting the requirements of the direct deposits, after those requirements are met, they're going to deposit your $300 bonus in your new Chase Total checking account within 15 days. So it's not even like 15 days after the 90 days that you have to make those direct deposits. You can make those direct deposits, in the month, 30 days, 15 days, however long it takes you to make that total amount of $500 or more. And once you hit that, 15 days from that date is going to be when you're going to get that cash bonus deposited into your new Chase Total checking account. Now, one thing to keep in mind with this cash bonus, and if you're familiar with these sign-up bonuses, if you've done this before, then you're familiar with this as well. This bonus is going to be considered interest and will be reported on IRS Form 1099-INT or Form 1042-S if applicable. So when you're doing your taxes, you have to keep in mind that this is going to be applied to your taxes. If you do your taxes yourself, then you know where to input this information with this form and everything like that. If you get someone else to do your taxes, make sure you take this form that you're going to get in the mail from Chase, the 1099-INT or Form 1042-S, to whoever does your taxes, and they'll know what to do with it. So basically, with you applying for this sign-up bonus in 2024, typically you're going to get the form in the mail with the 1099-INT or 1042-S. like January or February of next year of 2025 that will have the, that $300 cash bonus that Chase paid you. So you'll need to report that on your taxes. And that's pretty much it with step number 3 right there. A little bit of patience, keep your account open, things like that, and you'll get that cash bonus deposited into your account. Now with this Chase Total checking account, it does have a monthly service fee, but I want to tell you how to avoid that fee. The Chase Total checking account has a monthly service fee of $12. However, you can get that waived. You can get that waived through one of the following ways. If you have electronic deposits made into the account totaling $500 or more, such as those payments from payroll provider or government benefits providers, using the ACH or real-time payment network or FedNow network, or third-party services that facilitate payments to your debit card using the Visa or MasterCard network, if you have that going on into your account each monthly statement period, then you will not get that $12 monthly service fee. Or if you have a balance at the beginning of each day of $1,500 or more in this new account, then you would not get that $12 service fee. Or if you have an average beginning day balance of $5,000 or more in any combination of this account and linked qualifying Chase checking, savings, or other balances, then you would not get charged that $12 monthly service fee. Now, for a lot of people with this sign-up bonus, if they're applying for it, they don't have any other kind of, Chase accounts or anything like that. Typically, how you're going to get out of that $12 monthly service fee is through those direct deposits that you actually need to do to obtain the bonus. So the first step right there that you see to avoid the monthly service fee of $12 is typically how a lot of people are going to be able to avoid that monthly service fee of $12 is by having electronic deposits into this account totaling $500 or more each statement period. If you want to keep the account open, you want to keep using it, keep this in mind as well. There are 3 different ways to avoid that $12 monthly service fee. And that is it for the video, everybody. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and education on sign-up bonuses, personal finance, and maximizing your finances. Drop a comment down below if you scored this Chase bonus or if you have any questions about it, concerns, or experience with it. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Take care.